9:40 a.m. Okay, let's check this out, huh? Okay, can we see the ball of light here? I want you to take note of its position. Okay, 9:40 a.m. What was I showing in my previous recordings? Remember how it was so nicely lit up over here rather than over here? Yeah. Right now it's kind of difficult to actually see the shape of said greater light. But something's just not making sense. I mean, it is still relatively low in the sky. And at the time of my previous recording, well, it would have been much lower, correct? So where was all the light coming from that was lighting up the tops of the clouds in the west? Okay, much like, well, I'll just leave it at that. Therefore, I won't complicate matters anymore with by showing more of the equation, if you will. There we go. Anyway, yeah, okay, so it is still relatively low, right? 9:40 a.m. So how was it lighting the tops of the clouds to the west when it would have been so much lower? Just an observation, people, that's all. Yep, that's all it is. Just a questionable observation. I'll just go ahead and throw this out there. So, if, you ponder this enough, you might actually question whether or not we only have one light source. And maybe when this thing goes white bright, it is a combination of both those light sources coming together. And they part at some point shortly before sunset. Have you watched my recent recordings in regards to the greater and lesser lights that I've shown in the sky? Whether it's the sun, moon, or something else in the nighttime sky that's very, very bright. And I have not gone in search of any additional information on that. Basically, only one viewer has actually come back and posted a comment in regards to that nighttime observation. Thank you, Cat in a Bird Cage. Nemesis. Alright, enough with thinking out loud. It's not a very pleasant day out here. You know, we've had much colder temperatures, and seriously, I don't know if there's additional moisture in the air, or is dryness in the air, or what, but it literally feels colder than the coldest temperatures that we have experienced over the last couple of days. But then again, I just could be me. Not running on a whole lot of energy right now. You know, typically take care of my loved ones before I take care of myself. And therefore, yeah, I have not even had my breakfast. Other than my daily rocket fuel morning drink and, 2 cups of rather weak coffee. Okay. Yeah, I'll go ahead and keep track, see what's going on. I don't know, I just have this kind of a strange feel for this Friday. And we'll leave it at that. Okay, this current time now is 10:20 a.m. and you have just seen screenshots taken from my first video this morning when I went into that so-called dragon vision mode. And you can see from what I've shown there how the tops of the cloud is lit up, and that it's over in the western horizon, and before there was any signs of the ball of light over in the eastern horizon. Okay, now with the larger arrow, there was something going on in the western horizon there as well. And though I zoomed in a little bit on that area, I have no clue what that is. Okay, what those little lights are, the straight line, no clue, no clue whatsoever. Okay, and that was taken from the second image. The first image, that was just my, that was just the first example, if you will, and first screenshot for said example. It's the second image that I zoomed in on, and that I added the arrows to point those significant factors out. Hey, I do believe I hear an aircraft. Yes, indeed, but I am not stepping out onto my balcony. So yeah, what exactly are we trying to prove here? No clue. Okay, and you can see here now. Okay, here is the sunshine, and you can see which direction and angularity of that sunshine. And of course, I'm facing direct south. Okay, and now that is faded away. So, make your own connections there, of what I have shown. And because, I don't know, I have just found what I've observed today to be rather squirrely. Hmm. Which is exactly how we began this day. All right. Well, I'm kind of in limbo as what I am actually to accomplish today, and uh, I really just don't feel like doing much at all. And yeah, I've got props set out for future content and whatnot, but I don't know. I just maybe yesterday kind of took its toll on me. I'm not sure, but let me know your thoughts. If you're out there and actually watching this, if this has got your brain gears spinning, yeah, leave me a comment. Anyways, I guess I better slap all this together and get that all edited and ready to be posted, as I am still waiting for that first video of today to get posted. So on that note, yeah, we'll be back. Take care.